In this video, we'll show you how to replace the Downstream O2 sensor on your Ford F-150. This is located under the vehicle and part of the exhaust system. Let's get started. We'll be using a little bit of penetrating oil on this. We'll be using an O2 sensor socket. This has a slit in it to allow it to go over the wire. This is a 22 millimeter. Now we can unplug the connector. There's a small tab towards the front of the vehicle. We'll push in on the tab. It can help to push in on the connector while pushing it on the tab, and then we can pull out. Make sure you inspect your terminals for any damage or corrosion. This looks good. And we can remove the O2 sensor. Installing our O2 sensor is just the reverse of removing it. Start in the O2 sensor. Once again, using our O2 sensor socket. These O2 sensors have a crush washer on them, similar to a drain plug. You want to make sure you feel it crush down and try not to over-tighten it. Now we can plug in our connector. You want to make sure that that's fully seated and won't pull back out. Run the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.